sure that the voltages are within the same range. Okay, so now I'm going to measure all the 4 batteries. Okay, so I'll put my multimeter. These are 48. I'll put it 200 volts direct AC. Okay, so I'll remove the caps. I'll remove the caps from these. Okay, so I'll switch on this battery. It's on. I also switch on this one. You switch all the batteries on. They make them run. Okay, then make them run. They're all running. Okay, they are all now running. So now we need to measure the voltage on each and every battery. So this one's giving us 49.4. Okay, giving us 49.5. It's with the same range as that other one. We also measure the next one. Third one, I mean 49.4. 49.2. So these batteries are within the same range. So if we had something like 40, we need to charge those same batteries, make sure that they are all same, or at least slightly different in terms of the voltages. That way they will even be able to communicate to each other very fast, because they've got the same voltage and same state of charge. So now I'll switch them off. So now we now need to connect this. I have my jumpers with me. I have my jumpers. Okay, so these are my jumpers now. I'm going to connect these guys according to the way they're supposed to be. So we now open these other remaining caps. So positive goes to positive, I mean negative to negative. Okay. To negative. So we're doing our negative first. Okay. I start my positive now. Positive to positive. So now we have done, if you have seen, this line is for negatives, this is for positives. So I've remained with one negative on top, one positive on top, one positive down. So next thing we do now, we connect now these COM cables. Okay, so I have my COM cables. So now these are the cables that are now going to enable these batteries to communicate between each other. These are COM cables. Okay, so now this COM cable is supposed to be connected from this side. If you check, there's link port 1, link point 0, link point 1. There's also link point 0. On each and every battery there are these. So now when you're connecting these, you start from link port 1, so it goes in there. Okay, then it goes to link port 0. We have done that. So if there was another battery here, it would have connected from this side, but in this case, since this one is remaining with link port 0, it automatically becomes the master battery. It's the one that's going to control all the remaining batteries down here. Okay, so again, put here. So in your connection, any battery that which remains with link port 0 with nothing, that one automatically becomes the master battery. Okay, so having done this, we also needed to connect this one. That will now communicate with the inverter, between the batteries and the inverter. This is also another special cable. Okay, this one links the batteries and the inverter and the